What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to start a Chevy Malibu if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2017 Chevy Malibu in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no remote detected. So what we need to do is place the key fob into what your owner's manual refers to as the transmitter pocket. And the transmitter pocket is located in the center console. And it's this kind of space right here. And you want to put your fob in there with the buttons facing the rear of the vehicle, like that. And then once that's in the transmitter pocket that way, we should just be able to start the vehicle as normal. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.